Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number one. Flashlight. Okay, today we have the Baton4 Fighter Pilot Edition. It's got the rivets on there. It's pretty sick. Here's the premium case. It's got like a runway. Yeah. If you know, you know. Low, medium, high. Nice design. Magnetic. Magneto. Yeah, dual pocket clip. Put it on a hat. Do whatever you want to do. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? Deuces.